Evaluate the integral of 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 quantity squared times x minus 2 quantity squared dx. Okay, so pwede tayong gumamit dito ng u substitution. Pero sa unang tingin is wala tayong magandang u substitution na pwedeng magamit. Pero i-manipulate muna natin yung integrand, particularly yung denominator. So applying the law of exponent na xy quantity raised to m, that's equal to x raised to m, y raised to m. So pwede nating ilabas yung same exponent nitong x minus 1 at x minus 2 na 2. So pwede ko itong isulat as 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 times x minus 2 quantity squared, right? Okay, applying this law of exponent. And then, tsaka natin ipe-perform yung FOIL method. So we can have integral of 2x minus 3 over, FOIL method natin to, so x times x, that's x squared, x times negative 2, that's negative 2x, negative 1 times x, negative x, then negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2 dx. So magiging integral ng 2x minus 3 over x squared, negative 2x minus x, negative 3x, plus 2, okay, quantity squared. So nakalimutan ko yung quantity squared dito. Yan. So ngayon, pwede na tayong gumamit ng u substitution. Ang obvious na pwede nating i-let u dito ay etong denominator, which is x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, kasi kapag derivative natin to both sides, so derivative ng u, that's du, derivative nitong x squared minus 3x plus 2, derivative ng x squared, that's 2x, derivative ng negative 3x, that's negative 3, derivative ng constant 2 is 0. So, huwag ko na isusulat, right? Then times dx. Okay, so na-produce natin dito yung expression sa numerator, which is 2x minus 3 dx. Ito na yon, right? Okay, equal na lang siya sa du. And then, substituting, we will have integral ng 2x minus 3 dx. Ito na yon, du na lang, over x squared minus 3x plus 2. That's u na lang, di ba? And then, meron pang squared. So, pwede na lang natin gamitin dito yung power rule. Okay? Pero, gagawin ko muna tong integral ng by negative law of exponent, pwede kong gawing u to the negative 2 itong 1 over u squared, right? And therefore, applying power rule, we will have u to the negative 2, add 1 sa exponent, over negative 2 plus 1, plus c. Okay? Simplifying, we will have u to the negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, over negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, plus c. Or simply, itong negative 1 sa baba, gawin ko na lang sign ng fraction. And then magiging 1 over u to the first. Kasi u to the negative 1, applying negative law of exponent, that's 1 over u plus c. And then don't forget, i-transform natin pabalik itong u in terms of x na x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay? So therefore, magiging negative of 1 over u is x squared minus 3x plus 2 plus c. Okay? So therefore, this is the final answer.